Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing fine. It feels so good to finally make a new video for you all. I'll stay consistent this time. Had some issues, but I'm pretty sure none of you are interested in them, so we'll continue with the video. For this, I decided to make a makeup tutorial since it's festival season. So let's get into the video. First of all, I'm starting with a fresh, clean face. You need to moisturize it, and if you're going out during daytime, do not forget your sunscreen at all. After that, I'll go in with my primer. I'm using this Insight Pore Minimizer Primer. I'm using it for the first time. Fingers crossed, it works well. Let's go. I'm just going to take this tiny amount of it.
I got this for 107 rupees and it has a very silky lightweight formula. It is cruelty and paraben free. It gives you a matte finish and has an oil free formula, which is good, right? Because we have the absolute oily skin. And it lasts up to 8 hours. Not bad.
Now I'll go in with my foundation, which is this Maybelline's Superstay 24-hour foundation in shade 128 Warm Nude. I am just going to take a little bit of it and not a lot. Now blend, blend, blend. Now we are going to conceal using the Swiss Beauty Ultra Base Concealer Palette.
The concealer palette that I have is in shade 2 and I got it for around 278 rupees. It has a light formula and it gives you a natural coverage. It is fragrance free and considering the price, it's amazing. Budget friendly. Who doesn't love that?
Blend time again. I'll quickly do my eyebrows and come back. Eyebrows are done. Let's move on with the eyes.
The Makeup Revolution palettes, I got it as a combo for around 950 rupees and let me tell you, these are amazing. If you do not have it, you gotta try it. The shades are highly pigmented and is very easy to apply, blends in very easily and it just gives you that perfect pop of color. I am taking the pink shade from the palette which matches my outfit and focus on your outer corner and the crease of the eyelid. Now I'll take this shimmery pinkish eyeshadow from another palette of Makeup Revolution and apply it from the inner corner to the center of my eyelid.
Taking the brush now to even it out. Now let's do our other eye quick as well. I'm taking this teal shade and I will apply it on my waterline. Let me do it off camera. I'll mess it up otherwise. I almost messed it up, but it's all fine. So let's move on with the mascara.
So this myglamm's Twist It Mascara features an innovative dual action wand. It has 2-in-1 application for volumizing and curling. It has intense black, water resistant formula and is smudge proof and transfer resistant. Is there anything else that is left? Not at all.
That is too impressive. Can you see this? You just twist it and it's back to normal.
It's also cruelty free, no animal testing's been done, and it's also dermatologically tested. To use it, simply shake well before use, wipe off any excess product on the applicator, and use the first setting to add volume to your lashes, then twist it up to the next setting to curl and lift your lashes. And there you go, you have those perfect lashes in just few simple steps.
Moving on. The next product is
So I ordered myglamm's Tint It Up in Fever Color, which is a sheer true red shade. It is also PETA approved, cruelty free and vegan. You can use it as a lip and cheek stain and it gives you a hint of healthy natural color that lasts all day long. Literally. It gives you a natural dewy flush to your face and gives you a youthful look to your lips and cheeks. It has a buildable coverage, is long wearing, and like I mentioned, it's vegan friendly. It has this light watery texture, it's very easy to apply and to remove, and the biggest benefit, it suits all skin tones and is also perfume free.
and now we have the lips. And for that I have the shade that I am using is Bliss. Can you see it?
Next I have this Pop Exo Makeup No Drama Mini Lip Kit, which I got for $3.49, and it consists of 3 lipsticks, 3 beautiful nude shades. These are also cruelty free, vegan and paraben free, and it has a creamy matte finish, a lightweight formula, and is highly pigmented and is enriched with vitamin E, which means no dried out lips. Isn't that amazing?
Now we are going to highlight the last step, which is the Swiss Beauty Highlighter Palette. And this was it for today's video. I hope you guys like this look and you can try it with any color, any shade. I will link all the products in the description down below. If you want to check them out, you can. And I will see you next time. Bye.